Hello everyone, this is Dolly from JD Life. For today I thought about a special subject. I will compare three high-end luxurious lipsticks with a Korean lipstick that I personally enjoy to use. So the three lipsticks are Chanel, MAC and Anna Sui, and the cheaper brand, so the Korean lipstick is from Dearmay. In the end, I will tell my personal recommendation, which one is my favorite and which one is the one that I enjoy the less. So first, let's talk about the price. The winner of the prize is of course the Korean lipstick, the Dearmay, because it has the cheapest price, and the next one is the MAC. It is between the Dearmay and the other two colors, so this is kind of a middle price. The next one is the packaging. For me, the Chanel lipstick package is the most beautiful. It's really simple and shiny. It's actually nothing special, but it gives me that luxurious feeling. So I really enjoy just using it when I'm outside because I feel fancy when I use this lipstick. So this is my number one. And the second is the Anna Sui lipstick because they really worked hard, I think, to make this design. It's really unique. That's the point, that it's really unique. Although I don't like to mix black color with like bright colors, so this black with the bright flowers, it's not my style, but let's be honest, it's a pretty packaging. The next one is the MAC. It's also really simple. It looks like a bullet. I think it's okay. This is nothing special, but it's also everybody knows that this is MAC, so it's their shape and their outlook. And the last one on this list is the Dearmay. This packaging is okay. It's nothing special. It's just a simple black packaging with magnet inside. So this is the last on my list. The next one is the pigmentation. I will show the colors on my wrist to show how pigmented they are. The first one is the MAC Retro Matte All Fired Up. This is kind of fuchsia color. It's a little bit red, little bit pink. So this is the color. Chanel Rouge Coco Marthe 470. This is the color. The next one is Dearmay Marsala Rose. And the last one is Anna Sui F301. I don't know the color name because it's Japanese and I unfortunately cannot read Japanese characters. So this is the last one. I don't know how much you can see it on the video, but I think Dearmay has the best pigmentation. When I apply it on, only one layer is also enough to cover all my lips really well, so the pigmentation is really good of this lipstick. And the second one is the MAC lipstick. The third one is the Chanel because it's more of a creamy color, so the pigmentation is a little bit weaker than the two other ones because they are more matte. And the last one on the list is the Anna Sui lipstick. The pigmentation is not that good. It's more of a sheer pigmentation. So on this competition, Dearmay was the best. The next one is the texture. I think the texture is between the Dearmay and the Chanel. Both of them has a really comfortable texture, a really nice finish. If I want a more creamy one, I prefer the Chanel. It feels really good on the lips. But if I want a more matte, I prefer the Dearmay. So I cannot choose which one is the best because it depends on the finish. These are the best. After that, So the MAC is okay. Many people like MAC, but the price can be also a reason, and because they have a lot of colors, so you can choose even blue and green colors if you want. Of course, it's a professional cosmetic brand, but I don't enjoy using MAC products that much. Maybe it's because of the texture. I just don't enjoy using them. And the last one on the list is the Anasui. I don't like this texture. I think this texture is more like a lip balm, but not a good kind of. So here Chanel and Dearmay was the first for me. The next one is the lasting ability. If you can see, the matte versions are over there and they don't move that much. Especially the Dearmay, it's not moving that much as the MAC version. I think MAC is moving a little bit more, and because Chanel is a creamy lipstick, it's moving even more, and Anasui, it's moving the most. So for me, Dearmay is the first on this list. It's really long lasting, and MAC is the second, but they are really similar, so I cannot count. Maybe both of them last for a good 5 or 6 hours on the lips. Both of them are long lasting, I think. The third one is the Chanel, and the last one is the Anasui. And here I would mention that Anasui doesn't have any lasting ability. It doesn't have good pigmentation, and it doesn't have a good lasting ability, and that's why I don't like to use this lipstick. I apply it on, and as soon as I drink something or I just touch my lips, or something happens to my lips and it disappears. It's really just like a lip balm and nothing more. This is the last on this list as well. The first one that I enjoy using the most, and I love the colors that they have, because they have a lot of colors and they have more products, so I could choose a more matte finish, I can choose a more creamy finish. The lipstick that I enjoy using the most is the Chanel, so for me this is the winner. I love Chanel products, especially their lip products, so this is a forever favorite for me. The second on the list is the Dearmay. It's a cheaper product, so this one is really affordable. It has a really good price, and the quality is also really good. So both of them are really good. I prefer the Chanel, but to tell the truth, it's really expensive, 2 times more expensive than this product. So if you want to purchase a more affordable product, then this is the best. But if you can afford a Chanel lipstick, then this is the best for me. And the third one on the list is the MAC. I tried more products from this. I tried the creamy ones, the shiny ones, the matte ones, and it was never the one for me. I really try to enjoy the MAC products because they are professional and they are more affordable than a Bobbi Brown or than a Chanel, but it's just not for me. It's not my style. And the last one on the list that I do not enjoy using is the Anasui lipstick. I lived in Japan before, and I tried the Shiseido product, and I tried Anasui, and I tried many other Japanese products, and most of the Japanese products are amazing, really good. I enjoy them, especially Shiseido products are really good, but somehow their lip products are not that good. Neither Shiseido, neither the Orbis, neither this one. So I don't really like to use Japanese lip products, and this is the last on my list. Thank you for watching. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you have any opinion about these lip products, or if you have a favorite lip product, please write it below. See you next time. Bye bye.